Made in Burke is a monthly segment highlighting Burke County industry. Many products are manufactured here by companies that are proud to call our area home. Each Made in Burke segment features one of these businesses and their exciting story. Made in Burke is produced in partnership with the City of Morganton and Burke Development, Inc.
We started in 2000. And we're up to about 43 people now. We were a little bit more back in 2008, but we had a reduction back then because of the economy. We've slowly grown back up to where we're at now, and we hope to grow into the future. More people, more advanced equipment. We do a lot. Work holding fixtures is a component that holds a part for our customers to be able to machine their parts on a CNC machine. Then we get into the gauging, which is a product that we manufacture to be able to check the part. Then we do CNC contract machining, and we also build custom machines, design and build custom machinery from the ground up. If a customer can't buy something off the shelf, they'll come to us and we'll design and build something to do a special application.
Toner Machining is a fabulous company, another success of a local grown company. To Burke County, Toner Machining not only represents jobs, but as you see behind me, this advanced technology not only creating jobs and opportunity for citizens of Burke County, but they're also a great supplier and another reason why companies should choose Burke County to move here and take advantage of that knowledge and that supply base to help make their products and goods.
Well, I came here. I used to work at a place in Marion, and I came here because they have a good reputation. I wanted to work here. It took me about 2 years to get in here. The pay is good, the benefits are good, it's interesting work. It's something I like to do, I'm fascinated with it.
It brings good precision machinists to the area. It brings a lot of companies that on the outside that are in other, all the way up in the northeast and down in Mexico looking at Burke County. We've got a great reputation here. We've got some good competition here. They're competitors, but we generally get along. We compete against the same projects, but it all works out. There's enough work out there for all of us.
Machining's always been a strong field. We don't outsource this. Many of these products you see behind me are made to certain specifications. They're making a half a dozen of them, maybe only making one of them. You can't do that offshore. Plus the intellectual property, a lot of the products behind us are proprietary. Therefore, even more reason not to do it offshore.
I've worked here since 2003. As far as what I like is just the small business atmosphere. It's a tight group of family members, so to speak, and just close to home. To become a design engineer, I basically completed my 2-year degree at Piedmont. I went for machine and technology. At that point, I went on to Western, completed my engineering technology degree through Western, through the distance learning program that they have set up as a satellite program in Hickory. The transition from Piedmont to Western, for me, was easier because I was working in the machine shop atmosphere at the time. I had enough of skill base to help me with my Western. I believe if I would have went to Western straight out of high school, it would have been a lot harder. I was able to take what I'm learning at Western and apply it back to toner machining, and take what I've learned at toner and apply it at Western. So they worked hand in hand. I think it's a good opportunity for anyone coming through the engineering program to go ahead and do the 2-year at Piedmont and then go on and do the distance learning through Western and get you a job and start getting your feet on the ground than it is just to go to a 4-year college and jump in there.
We're a pretty well-rounded company. We do work for nuclear, aerospace, defense industry, automotive, heavy truck. So we get involved in a lot of things. But one thing I'd like to pound home is the fact that this is a good trade for young people to get into. And I don't think they realize it. Working through Piedmont, they're trying to develop a program to get people in from the high school level. Manufacturing has taken such a hit in this area because of the furniture companies and textile mills closing that they don't think of manufacturing. But this trade is a great trade. It's high paying once you learn it. You can go anywhere in the country and get a job. You're skilled at that point to, you know, many companies go after and try to recruit even our people.
We put to those things in with the global economy, insource and the rest. Machining is going to be a fabulous opportunity to grow and a great profession for those in high school or the community college currently. And it's something that's going to be a viable growth in the area. It's something where it makes a phenomenal wage and a great quality of life from now on.